Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 7 of the worksheet on chapter 4 for the intermediate algebra class. Objective: factoring a multivariate polynomial by grouping. Factor by grouping 24y minus 3x plus yx minus 8y square. We'll try grouping them first as given in the problem. All the terms as given in the problems. We will try to group the first two together and the second two together, and we will see whether we can get two factors. So if you do these two and these two together, and for the first two, 3 is common, so pull that out, then you'll be left with 8y, 3 times 8y is 24y, 3 times x is 3x. So we get 8y minus x in the parentheses. And if we keep the terms as they are in the second two, in these two, yx minus 8y square, y is common. If you pull the y out, inside you will have x, y times x, yx minus 8y squared, so minus 8y. So if you take the problem the way it is, then inside the parentheses you get 8yx, 8y minus x, but here x minus 8y. The goal is to keep them the same, have them the same. If it is 8y minus x, we need to get 8y minus x on this factor as well, in the second grouping as well. So if you keep the terms as they are, you are not accomplishing that. So we are going to rearrange the terms. So it is 24y minus 3x. So this doesn't work. The goal is to keep these two the same. 24y minus 3x. Then we will just switch the terms. Negative 8y square plus yx. So we are not doing any alteration into the problem except that we are rearranging the terms. So negative 8y square first and then yx. Let's see whether the grouping works this way. So as we did earlier, 3 is a common factor. 3 times 8y minus x. 3 times 8y is 24y. 3 times x is a negative 3x. Now in these two, y is common. So take the negative y out. That way we'll have 8y, negative y times 8y, that is negative 8y square. Then negative y times, you should get a positive sign here. So negative y times negative x is positive yx. If you look at the terms in the parentheses now, they are the same. So now we write the term inside the parentheses which are the same as 8y minus x. Then the ones that are outside, that is 3 minus y. So either you can leave the answer this way, or you can also switch and write 3 minus y times 8y minus x. These are in the factored form. Either this answer or this answer, both are acceptable in this problem. So keep in mind the goal is to bring these two factors look the same. So if we have to rearrange the terms in some problem, we have to rearrange and then make them look alike here, this factor and this factor. Hope this video helps.